You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Japanese horror manga series. I know there's all sorts of different pronunciations: Tomie, Tomie, Tomai, Tomie, Tulumi, and so on. So, let's hear how it's said in Japanese. Tomie, Tomie is how it is said, alright? So it's quite easy once you know. Tomie. Now, many, therefore, because the sound in English doesn't really exist, many say it as, in English, as Tomie, which is a lot better than Tomie or Tomai or Tomie. Tomie. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.